My name is Zora Stančič. I'm from Ljubljana, the capital city of Slovenia.
Hi, I'm Tijana Tripkovic and I'm from Belgrade, Serbia.
Hi, my name is Tavčar. I'm a product designer based between Ljubljana, Slovenia and Vienna, Austria.
Hello, my name is Iracema and I'm from Brazil, but I live in Paris now. So actually I heard rumors a while ago that Albert was coming back, but I actually didn't really heard about AZ Factory until you guys called me.
My impression of Albert was that he understands women and also the fashion in the context of contemporary life or time.
The main inspiration for my collaboration with the AZ Factory was capturing the spirit of time, the so-called zeitgeist. Mainly because I believe that adjusting design to the times that we live in is the only way to design that makes sense to me.
The prints that I did, it has a really simple message to it, and that message is that you're a star.
My favorite color is blue. Modra in Slovene language, but I like red as well. Rdeča is a little bit more difficult to pronounce.
That's a very simple question to answer. I miss my friends and family the most. That's all I needed. That's all I need now.
So I think that the way that my design came about was that we wanted to translate the idea that every woman is a star, and we wanted to do this in this really universal way that anyone could understand, like this really clear message and something pop and something optimistic at the same time.
In the beginning, I remember we had some technical problems, and later we used to work like this. Everybody and everywhere, all around the world, we work like on long distance, and that's our new reality. So I work with the students on Academy for Fine Arts, and it's not easy to teach drawing and printmaking via Zoom, but we try to.
If I could hug anybody right now, I would choose to hug my assistant in making this video, this guy.